Windstorm also caused quite a mess at area cemeteries. News 5's Karen Johnson joins us live to show us the damage in Middletown tonight. Karen?
Well, guys, just take a look at this. It is a mess. You have trees, branches, limbs all over the place. And although a lot had fallen on top of the tombstones, I'm told the good news, none were damaged.
It really made you sick.
When Fred Weir walked into the Woodside Cemetery on Monday, he says it looked like a war zone.
You have a lot of older trees, and the way it was whipping around, it took down, I guess, 50 to 65 trees.
On top of that, the wind snapped hundreds of branches, scattering them all over the Middletown Cemetery.
The winds were so strong that it took a lot of the decorations and just shattered them, and they were in pieces all over the grave sites.
Branch by branch, crews are slowly cleaning up tonight, but that doesn't solve all of the cemetery's problems. There's still no power here.
It's been a real hassle in trying to conduct business.
No power means no refrigeration, and the generator only allows them to do one cremation at a time. Weir, who planted some of the trees that fell, says it's disheartening to see so many lost in one afternoon. And I'm told many cemeteries, not just here in Butler County, but throughout the tri-state, look similar to this. At least here at Woodside, they say as soon as all this is cleaned up, they plan on replanting some of the trees. Live tonight in Middletown, Karen Johnson, News 5.